In a dimly lit room, we are introduced to Alex, a curious young scientist who has a knack for understanding complex systems. On the table before him lie various items: a small light bulb, a few copper wires, and a diagram of the human body. Today, Alex is on a mission to understand why the human body conducts electricity. Alex begins with the basics. Electricity, he muses to himself, is the flow of electrons. It needs a conductor to travel through like metal wires. But why does it travel through the human body so well? He picks up the diagram of the human body. The key, he explains mentally, is in its composition. The human body is roughly 60% water, and water is an excellent conductor, especially when it contains dissolved salts and minerals, forming what we call electrolytes. To demonstrate, Alex uses a clear plastic container filled with salt water and connects it with the bulb using the copper wires. As the bulb lights up, he narrates, the salt dissolved in water provides free ions, which allow electric currents to flow. And that's very similar to conditions within the human body. Next, Alex delves deeper into anatomy. Inside the body, he says, pointing to nerve pathways on the diagram. Nerve cells, or neurons, transmit signals electrochemically, fundamentally relying on ions to send messages throughout the body. Retrieving a model of a neutron, Alex recalls, neurons possess channels that open to allow ions, such as sodium and potassium, to move in and out of cells. This movement generates an electrical signal that travels from neuron to neuron. Alex then revisits the role of organs. The heart, he notes, uses electrical impulses to maintain its rhythm. The brain, too, relies on electrical signals for communication and function. As the video nears its conclusion, Alex shares the final insight. Understanding conduction helps us harness these principles in medicine and technology. He explains, showing a tiny ECG monitor. For instance, this can monitor heart rhythms using electrodes to detect electrical activity. With a final smile, Alex ends his exploration, satisfied with the journey through the interplay of biology and electricity. His small experiment has illuminated the fascinating way the human body conducts electricity, a system so integral to life itself. And thus, the quest for knowledge continues.